The Climb Auto system is a single technician ladder-mounted lift. It eliminates the climb and transports people and equipment up tower. This is the car. Over here, we have the control box. Up here, we have the traction unit. And down below, we have the wire rope tensioning device. I'm at the yaw deck of a 90-meter tower. It took me about 5 minutes to get up here. I was secured to this follow rester the entire time. Now, because I didn't have to climb, I don't feel exhausted. Therefore, I can start my day of tower right away. The Climb Auto system is easy to use. There's a few simple steps, and just like that, no more climbing.